Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the flight and shaft closely. Look for small tears, creases, or a misshapen profile because those ruin trajectory. Once done, remove the flight and wipe the shaft end and slot with alcohol so glue and dust won't interfere. Make sure to dry parts completely and lay out your replacements, protectors, or adhesive. This immediate prep saves time and prevents misaligned reassembly. Use small pliers if a stubborn shaft needs gentle twisting to release. You now align the new flight precisely. Pick a shape that matches your throw style because profile affects lift and drag. Slide the flight into the shaft so the central spine matches the barrel axis. If using glue, apply sparingly inside the slot and seat the flight squarely. Make 1 or 2 gentle twists to ensure a snug fit, then hold steady while adhesive cures. Once set, reattach to the barrel and visually confirm symmetry. Small misalignment changes grouping noticeably. You finish by checking balance and testing on the ash. Throw 6 to 9 darts to judge drift, wobble, and spread. If the flight edges catch, trim 0. 5 to 1 mm evenly and retest because small changes affect airflow. Make sure grouping improves. If not, switch shaft length or try reinforced flights. Troubleshooting tip: if one side consistently drifts, rotate the shaft 180 degrees and retest. This often reveals a hidden warp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.